Hello, welcome to my channel. I haven't made any video in last few weeks because my longer evolution were in September and I had a lot of work to do. But today I'm going to make all videos about the toys which I got in my little brother's 4th birthday. Here's my toy in my own hand is the Parrot. His name is Charlie. He is a funny Talkie. Charlie has his own Talkie under his body. Whatever it says, push this button on Charlie's belly and it starts to move the mouth. And whatever the boy says, Charlie, the parrot says, Charlie, haha, Charlie. Like this. This is how it looks like this. Hello? This is how its mouth moves. Thank you for this video. Please subscribe to watch another new videos in today. Subscribe. Thank you.